Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression 8 minus 8 divided 10 times 2. So let's start with today's video solution. So when multiple operations are given, that is subtraction, division and multiplication. So we are going to use PEMDAS or PEDMAS rule that helps us to understand what operation will solve first. So here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first we have to give priority to division. So we will write it like this: 8 minus 8 divided by 10 times 2. So 8 minus 8 divided by 10 will divided by 2. So we get 4 by 5 times 2. So now we have to multiply first. So it becomes 8 by 5. Now I'm taking LCM. So it becomes 5. And here 8 times 5 minus 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And 40 minus 8 by 5, which is 32 by 5. And in terms of mixed fraction, you can write 6 whole 2 by 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.